Hello traders, today we are talking about Tradingview, free-to-use platform for observing and analyzing instruments of any markets. We recommend using this platform due to its simplicity and huge variety of instruments and indicators. Watch the video till the end where I will show you how to place 4 instruments within one working space to make it easier to monitor several instruments simultaneously. From the very beginning, from the main menu, we can switch to charts and use free version of the platform. Let's start from the upper panel. Selecting an asset, stock, currency, pairs, indices. In this section you can choose any instruments just entering its name. And you can even choose certain exchange from which the instrument will be displayed. Time frame is a way to streamline the price movement in a time frame. For example, if you choose 5 minutes time frame, then each candle or bar will form on the chart for exactly 5 minutes. Next, chart type. Candles, bars, lines. Very simple and useful. Another interesting function is comparison of different assets. The compare panel allows you to check if there is a correlation between different assets right on the same chart. For example, GMT and BTC. There is no any correlation, however it's quite interesting. This is how you can remove it. Let's move on. Indicators. Here you can choose indicators from categories and even save your favorites. There are thousands of indicators added by real users and professional traders. If you know the name of indicator or its author, just enter it and choose. For example, Relative Strength Index. When selected, the indicator is displayed on the graph or below it. Here you can open settings of the indicator and change settings and colors. This is how to delete indicator. In Pro version you can add many indicators simultaneously. We are interested what indicators do you personally prefer and how it works. Please share your favorite and most effective indicators in the comments below. Next function, alerts. This is a great opportunity to set up a warning when any conditions are met on the chart. Opening in alert is very easy. Right click on the chart where you want it and select Add Alert. The easiest option is to set an alert for a support or resistance zone, where in your opinion there will be a price reversal. This is how it works. Let's remove it. The next very interesting function, ideas. Here you create your own idea by selecting title and description, adding some comments, and you can make it public or private and finally publish the idea. You can also use a chat here where users share their thoughts on certain instruments. Now let's select Show all ideas. We see dots right on the graph. Let's move the mouse over one of them. A brief description of the idea appears. Okay, now let's click on the short description. A window appears in which the trader explains and demonstrates his idea. We see it on the history. Another one. Let's hide it now. We figure out the top panel. Let's look at the panel that is located on the left. There are lots of instruments for making your analysis much more effective. Cursor type, cross, dot or arrow. Here we see the main technical analysis tools. lines, trends, vertical, horizontal, beams, channels, and so on. Advanced graphical tools from forks and boxes of Gantt to Fibonacci tools. Main graphical instruments to draw any shapes and graphic shapes like triangles, rectangles, and so on. Text elements. There are also many patterns, head and shoulders, triangles, Elliott waves, and so on. Tools for predicting and calculating risks. A branch of icons. Ruler to enlarge the selected fragment. This is how it works. Very useful. Zoom in and zoom out function. This is a magnet mode and its description. Weak magnet and strong magnet, we can choose. Clicking this button, we stay in drawing mode or block it. This button will lock all drawing tools. Okay, let's, for example, build levels. This is how we can change lines and colors. We can add text, we can change the colors here. If we want to point out the zone, we can do it in such a way. Very convenient. Now, as I promised, I will show you how to place 4 instruments here using free version of the platform. It works with Vivaldi browser. You need to download it. You should add 3 additional tabs of the Tradingview, press left shift and select all of them. Right click, tile 4 tabs. Great. Now you can monitor 4 instruments for free. I hope this review will be useful for you. We recommend using Tradingview and combine it with CScalp. In Tradingview there is a brilliant implementation, lots of free features available, including social ones. There are many worthy terminals in the world, but most of them are either not for free or full of many restrictions. We also remind that you can download the CScalp trading platform for free. Please share in the comments below what functions of Tradingview you like most. Many answers for your questions you can find here in our Telegram channel. The link you will find below this video. The video was prepared for the CScalp trading platform team. Thank you.